Had a pretty cool conversation with a partner the other day, and they were trying to set up a group of computers for their C-suite, so the executives. And they had one technician that connected computers, C-suite executives, wanted consent required if they were working, but then allowing that technician to connect. So I can show you how to do that. Here's the select scenes that you can use. For this, we can just use custom graphic array.
Why do I love the way you always, always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always, always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Then we will navigate to admin, security, save that role. Next thing we'll do is we'll come up and assign that role to the user.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I,
Be
baby,
sure
why do
to
I
like this video
why
and
do
should
I,
be
baby, why
follow
do I why do I, baby, why do I
Thanks a lot.